start filming video, but it's alright. Maybe we just start mowing along, but I can wait. Neighbor's gonna mow the lawn, so just gonna wait. It's right. Just, you know, the very second I was going to turn on the camera, I heard the lawnmower start up, so. It's alright. I'll wait. I was going to, you know, do a prelude to a half hour of her cutting her grass. Today we're going to do the TRD Skidplate install and take off the OEM Skidplate on the Toyota Tacoma. What things you're going to need: the TRD Skidplate for one. I'm going to use some ramps to make it easier than just sliding underneath the truck. You're going to need the 17 millimeter socket, 12 millimeter and 10 millimeter, and an extender for your ratchet. And you're definitely going to need the 4x420 here, and finish it off with a Copenhagen smile.